So, yesterday saw some parrots for Samara. Yeah, now we're going to Samara for Samara.
Welcome again to our Costa Rican road trip. In today's episode, we traveled to Samara, about 30 minutes north of Punta Isleta, to explore the town and check out the beach. Samara is one of the more updated towns we've been to, with paved roads, plenty of restaurants, and a bustling community of locals and expats. We tried to make it to town a few episodes back, but were blocked by the flooding river when we had to divert our track up to Nicoya and down to Punta Isleta, where we've been staying for the past few days. We began our day at the beach with some drone flights and some fun in the sun, while we just enjoyed the relaxation of being on vacation. Yep. One of the highlights of Samara is that the town is spelled the same as our daughter's name, Samara. She loves seeing her name all over the signs and businesses, even though it's pronounced a little different. Hola. There she is, Samara, walking through Samara. I love you. After having a pizza, strolling around town, checking out the local shops, hippie stands, and places with Samara's name all over, we decided to head back to another beach we passed on the way from Punta Slita. This beach is Playa Carillo and was one of the most picturesque beaches we had ever seen. It had hints of French Polynesia and a bay to match. So as is the norm in Costa Rica, the afternoon showers came in and we jumped in the car to head back to Punta Slita. This was the road that we were concerned about when we tried to get to Samara the very first day, and we're really worried that we wouldn't be able to make it all the way to our hotel. So we filmed a little bit of it just to show you guys kind of what we had in store as we drove through this tree-lined road that filled with potholes and puddles of water. All right, so crazy rainstorm coming back from our day in Samara, and it's lightning like a mug. Got my beer. I'm gonna use that to pick the camera, and I'm gonna jog. Here we go. Bam. A little shaky. Sorry about that. Oh. A little wet. Hello, Marvin. All right. Baby, Costa Rica. Look at that action. That beats TV any day of the week. 9 minutes of unadulterated lightning, sunsets, ocean, howler monkeys. It was amazing. Amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed that. Now I want to stand here another few minutes.